Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make a fish aquarium at home. First, let's plan. Consider the types of fish you desire to determine the ideal tank size, perhaps a 10-gallon or 20-gallon tank for beginners. Choose a stable spot, avoiding direct sunlight, to maintain consistent water temperature. Gather your essential equipment, including a reliable filter, a heater to keep the water warm, and appropriate lighting. This careful preparation ensures a successful start for your aquatic environment. Now, let's assemble your aquarium. Begin by thoroughly rinsing your chosen substrate, like gravel or sand, to remove any dust or debris. Add a layer of about 2 to 3 inches to the bottom of the tank. Next, install your filter, heater, and any other equipment, following the manufacturer's guidelines precisely. Finally, arrange your decorations and plants, ensuring they are aquarium safe and provide plenty of hiding spots for future inhabitants. With your tank assembled, it's time to add water. Slowly fill the aquarium with dechlorinated water, leaving approximately 1 inch of space from the top. This prevents spills and allows for proper oxygen exchange. Crucially, begin the nitrogen cycle by adding a beneficial bacteria starter or a tiny pinch of fish food. Over the next several weeks, diligently monitor water parameters like ammonia, nitrite, and nitrate using a quality test kit. Once your tank's nitrogen cycle is complete and water parameters are stable, you can gradually introduce your fish. Start with a few hardy species, allowing them to acclimate. Feed your fish small amounts 2 to 3 times daily, being careful not to overfeed, which can pollute the water. Finally, perform regular water changes of about 25% every 1 to 2 weeks to maintain a healthy and thriving aquatic environment.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.